Hello, little artists! Welcome to our fun drawing time. Today, we are going to draw a super cute bunny character together. This bunny has long ears, a sweet smiling face, a pretty flower, and a pink bunny hood. It is soft, friendly, and very adorable. And guess what? At the end of our drawing, we will have a special surprise. So keep watching until the very end to see what happens to our cute bunny friend. Get your paper ready, hold your pencil gently, sit comfortably, take your time, and remember, your drawing does not have to be perfect. Every line you draw is special because you made it yourself. Let's begin. First, we are going to draw the left ear. Start near the top of your paper. Draw a long, rounded shape going up and then curving back down. Make the top nice and smooth, like a big upside-down U shape. This will be the bunny's left ear. Try to make it tall and soft, not pointy. Great job! Bunny ears are supposed to look cute and gentle. Now, let's draw the right ear. Move a little to the right side and draw another long, rounded ear. Start at the top, go up, curve around, and come back down. Make this ear about the same size as the first ear. It is okay if they are not exactly the same. That makes your bunny look even more charming. Now we have two big bunny ears standing up tall. Next, let's draw the flower next to the left ear. On the left side of the bunny hood, close to the left ear, draw a small circle first. This will be the center of the flower. Around that circle, draw 5 soft, round petals. 1 petal on top, 1 on each side, and 2 near the bottom. Make the petals look like little clouds or rounded hearts. This flower will make our bunny character look extra sweet and pretty. Now we will draw the outline of the head. Starting from one side of the ears, draw a big rounded curve going down around the head. Bring the line down along the side, curve gently around the cheek area, and then go back up toward the other ear. The head should look big and round, like a soft bunny hood. Take your time with this part. The head is one of the biggest shapes in our drawing.
Now let's draw its left eye. On the left side of the face, draw a big oval eye. Make it tall and round. Inside the eye, draw a small white circle near the top to show a shiny sparkle. You can also add 1 or 2 tiny white circles near the bottom for extra cuteness. Then add a few little eyelashes on the outside of the eye. The eyelashes can be short, curved lines. This makes the bunny look happy and sweet. Now let's draw its right eye. Move to the right side of the face and draw another big oval eye. Try to make it similar to the left eye. Add a large shiny circle inside the eye and a few smaller sparkle circles too. Then draw tiny curved eyelashes on the outside. Great job! Now the bunny is starting to look alive and cheerful. Next, let's draw its nose. In the middle of the face, between the 2 eyes, draw a small oval shape. Keep it small and cute. This will be the bunny's little nose. Later, we will color it yellow, so make sure it is easy to see. Now let's draw its mouth with a smile. Under the nose, draw a gentle curved line, like a happy little smile. You can make the smile soft and simple. The bunny is looking at us with a kind and friendly face. What a sweet smile! Now we are going to draw a pink collar or capelet-like piece around the neck and shoulders. Under the face, draw 2 little collar flaps. Start near the left side under the head and draw a shape that goes outward and down, then back toward the body. It can look like a small soft triangle with rounded corners. Then draw another collar flap on the right side. These 2 pieces sit around the bunny's neck and shoulders, like a cute little capelet. Later, we will color this part pink. Next, let's draw the outline of its body and legs. Under the collar, draw a simple rounded body. Bring the lines down smoothly from the shoulders. The body should be small and soft, like a plush toy. At the bottom, draw 2 short rounded legs. Leave a small line in the middle to show where the legs separate. Make the feet rounded at the bottom. Nice work! Our bunny now has a cute little body. Now let's draw its left arm and hand. On the left side of the body, draw a short arm going out and slightly down. At the end of the arm, draw a round mitten-like hand. Keep the hand soft and simple, like a small circle or rounded paw. The bunny looks like it is ready to wave hello. Now let's draw its right arm and hand. On the right side of the body, draw another short arm. Make it match the left side as much as you can. At the end, draw another round, mitten-like hand. Great job! Now our bunny has 2 cute arms and hands. Now it is time to color. First, let's color its nose yellow. Use a bright yellow color and carefully fill in the small oval nose. Try to stay inside the lines. This little yellow nose makes the face look cheerful and bright. Next, let's color the red flower accessory with a yellow center. Color the round center of the flower yellow. Then color all the petals red. Take your time and color each petal carefully. The red flower looks beautiful next to the bunny's ear. Now let's color the bunny hood pink. Use a pretty pink color to fill in the big hood around the face and the 2 long ears. Color slowly around the face so the face stays white. Fill the ears and the whole hood area with pink. This makes the character look like it is wearing a cute bunny costume. Finally, let's color the collar pink. Use the same pink color and fill in the collar or capelet around the neck and shoulders. Color both collar flaps neatly. Now the hood and collar match perfectly. Wow! Look at our cute bunny character. It has long bunny ears, a pretty red flower, big shiny eyes, a yellow nose, a sweet smile, and a pink collar. You did such an amazing job drawing and coloring today. But wait, what is happening? Look closely at your bunny friend.
Hello.
The bunny is starting to move. Its big shiny eyes are blinking. Its little smile is getting bigger and brighter. Its long pink ears are gently wiggling. And now it is lifting both hands. Surprise!
Hello. I love you.
If you had fun, don't forget to like and subscribe for more happy drawings. Bye bye, little artists. See you next time.